Yeah, hi people, here's Eric again from Laser Scanning TV, the resource for scanner information. And in this episode, I like to speak about can we mix different scanners? And while we do that, we've been on a presentation, a colleague of mine, where he have to use different scanners to capture a complex project. And this is where I like to speak about it and what you need to do this. What was the challenge? The challenge was that we had a customer who liked to scan a truck. As this customer is a company who was where he builds nightliners, like for music bands. They use these nightliners to go over the night from one place to the other if they have concerts. Also custom manufactured cars. And they was interested to scan like these Mercedes truck in and outside. And of course you can use one system, but this have a lot of disadvantage. And in this case, we decided for these customers to show the way if he is scanning this with different scanners. And in this case, we're using the Artec Ray and also the Artec Leo. This is not a Leo. Everybody who knows it was known as an Eva, but our Leo is already today on a trade show. I will only show for the people they're not really familiar with each type of scanners. That this is a terrestrial scanner what stays normally on a tripod and turns like this. And this is a handheld scanner what we use flexible. With this scanner, we scan the exterior of the car, like everything outside. And we use the handheld scanner to go in this car. If you see, like this is the inside of the truck and we have the seats, then it's easily with the handheld scanner, I can scan the seat, I can scan the bank or any other points in this truck. And that was the reason why we use both scanners together. What is the challenge to do this? The challenge is there's this type of scanner, we call them terrestrial laser scanner, having a structured point cloud. This comes from this case, there's this scanner rotating fixed, and then it turns very slow and make like slices. And you have an ordered scan later in your software. And with this scanner, you're totally flexible. You can scan each direction, and you will get from this an unstructured point cloud. This means you have a structured point cloud and unstructured point cloud. And that is critical for the data processing. It is more a topic for the IT guys in the background. But to do this, you need a software who is easy to handle both types of scans, like structured and unstructured. We use here the Artec Studio software, and this come out from one producer, works well together, and this was no problem. There is maybe also other software what you can use, like maybe 3D systems or Polyworks or everything with meshes. They will be also able, but the guys from Artec make it a good package from both. And this was a very good application to show the advantage from these both systems. I will show you a little bit more pictures to this application, since my computer is working. So let me go to the next picture. Okay, we have it here. Like here, you see we have here the backside from the truck. Also this, we scan always this system on a tripod. And the thing is why we use both systems. This is a very good system to scan big objects in high quality because it have a big range. Like you have here 100 meters range. Depends from the type from the scanner. This one we have only a couple of meters. Yeah, and then you have also if you want to scan everything, it's maybe you get problem with tracking and data quality issues, and that's the reason why we choose. And this one we take from the inside. This comes from the handheld scanner, and there we was able to go in a detailed area like you see here, and we can do it in color too. And that is a good application, like inside handheld scanner, outside we did with this big scanner. And finally, we stitched this together in the software and getting a really good results, an amazing results. And I can also show you here on my screen, like the scan data. Here you see this is a real mesh from this demonstration of the technology. You see that's really, and to see what amazing data quality you get from these outside terrestrial scanner. You can see here is the sign of Mercedes from the car. We have it here, and you can read this already, and this is only a sticker on the car, or you see like here these opening, and also here these mesh from the from the cooler. You can see very good details from this big scanner, and with this small scanner we are able to make it inside and put it all together, and can very easy capture such big project in a very short time, and it's an interesting technology for this kind of application. With this, I will end my session for this time, and I'm happy if you look the next videos and maybe you subscribe to our channel and leave some comments if you are interested in. Bye bye, Eric.